Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a bullseye tie-dye, okay? The bullseye tie-dye technique. This is really, really easy, and there's a lot of ways you can do it, and it'll look really, really cool. So, first I'm going to start out with my white t-shirt laid out. This is just a large men's t-shirt. And then what I like to do, because you should wet your t-shirt, I like to just use a spray bottle so that the shirt's only slightly damp as opposed to being super, super wet. So I'm just going to spray my t-shirt down. Alright, and then you're going to need the dye you plan on using. What I have all of my colors mixed here are actually just acrylic paint and water. That's how I like to tie-dye. I actually did a whole video on this, so I'll link that down below so that you guys can watch that if you also want to use acrylic paint. I like to use acrylic paint because I always have acrylic paint at home, and it comes in a lot of different colors as opposed to dye, especially as to what you can find in a store and not online. And then we're going to need our rubber bands. So the first thing you want to do is you want to determine where on the shirt you want the center of your bullseye to be. Most people choose the center of the shirt, so that's what we're going to do. And then from there, just get your rubber band ready. Take your index finger and your thumb and pick it up just like this. Pinch it. Make sure you have the top and the bottom layer. Lift up. And then I kind of do like this. And then put your rubber band as far down as you want that center circle to be. Again, with this, you could do really tight circles. You could do really loose circles. I think I'm going to do this one a little tighter just so we have a lot of rings. So even though that's actually the first rubber band I put down, I'm actually going to add on a second little section right here. Just like that. And see, now we have two sections. And from here, it's really easy. Just grab your rubber band, pick up your shirt, like this. That's at least how I find it easiest. And then wrap your rubber band and place it where you want it to be. That's how far mine are apart right now. And just continue doing this until you got the entire shirt, or at least just the entire portion of the shirt that you wanted to be separated for tie-dye. So here you have your spiral, and now all you're going to do is dye your little sections. And here we have our bullseye dyed. Again, if you decided to be like me and use acrylic paint and water instead of regular tie-dye, refer back to that video down below so that you know what to do with this after this step. If you use regular tie-dye, just follow or really anything else you use, just follow the instructions that they give you on that as to how to handle this until it dries. Alright, and that's how you do the Bullseye tie-dye technique.